celebrating the 9th Onam this time, but this Onam is very special for us because this Onam, actually, Onam, what is Onam? We talk about prosperity, we talk about joy. 8 years that we have been struggling in one way or the other. This year we have seen a lot of changes for that. And I would like to take this opportunity also to congratulate our MD, Mr. Pradeep VS, for getting the award for the best IT 2007. He's always been a source of inspiration for all of us. And sir, maybe 2 words on from your side on a message.
Today we are not an Indian company anymore. We have become a multinational company. We have now close to around 350 people in US as our counterparts. That looking back 8 years, it's a great achievement. We had been struggling to get one contract from US, waiting every night for some work to flow in, but it never happened for almost 1.5 years. So that way, today we employ that many people in US is a very big achievement. Probably those who have stuck with the company for more than 8 years or 9 years, who understand the value of what we have achieved this year. And this achievement is not mine, it is the collective achievement of you all, without which it would have been a reality now. Moving forward, each one of you have to come out with greater performance so that next Onam will be a much bigger Onam. We may not be able to hold the Onam celebration in this small place. Probably we'll have a grandeur function somewhere else. One of the speeches earlier, probably Onam or Christmas, I don't remember, I said we should be celebrating one of these occasions in one big ground like Chandrasekhar Nair Stadium or somewhere, probably down the line. It may not be too long if we really work towards it. When two of our chief guests today here, they said, I look young. I said, no, our employees look much younger and energetic, more energetic. And that energy is actually driving us move forward. Each one of you have huge energies within you. And I always tell anybody who meets me that we as personal, use hardly 2% or 5% of our output, our energies within ourselves for productive use. If we increase that by another 5% or 10%, we are going to be the best company in the world. No doubt. I have seen people all around the world and we have that energy. It is just channeling that energy towards the right direction. So you have all the managers sitting there, so they know if you focus your energy and make your team focus the energy towards the right direction, we will be a different company altogether.
ഉരുകുമെന്നുള്ളം ഈ സ്നേഹലാ